Do I still need a website if I use social media for my small business? Well, the short answer is yes. And in this video, I'm going to explain why. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you don't actually own the digital real estate. Like with a website, you own the real estate, you have control over it. People go to social media to scroll for entertainment. Um, One of the downfalls is you could get your Facebook hacked or your social media hacked. You could get your account suspended. Don't get me wrong, social media is a powerful marketing tool, but you don't have as much control. And people scroll for entertainment, but they go to Google to buy. That's right. If you're a plumber, electrician, people type this in, and Google learns about your business from your digital footprint, and they start with your website. Um, so when somebody lands on your website like mine, in the first 3 to 6 seconds, you want to let them know where you are, what you do, and how to reach you. And that's answered right here. And you own your digital real estate. You have total control of your branding, what people see, what services you offer, um, what people are saying, your Google reviews, you're building trust. And this is a spot for people to leave a Google review. Google reviews are so important. I did a whole video on that. This is where you can let people know about your business. And it's not just your customers or prospective clients, it's Google learning. It's the large language models that are learning, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Um, so, and it's a great way for you to decide how you want people to contact you, whether it's through email, call or text, your location, or a lot of people just want to reach out with a simple message just to get the conversation started. So contact forms are important. I did a video on that as well. Um, but really, what you want to do is use your social media and your website. You want them all to work together. Okay, build your digital footprint. So, like for instance, Facebook. I've been an entrepreneur, just to let you know, most of my life. I've had jobs here and there, but I've been a magician since I was a teenager. So I use Facebook for my awareness, and I tie it in with my coding as well. Um, but just to let you know, how effective social media is and why I use it. One of my videos did really well this week. I got 95,000 views. You see that spike? So that's some awareness right there. Um, but I can't really tell that much about me and my businesses and what I do unless you go to my website and or both of my websites. It tells the whole story. Um, so really, social media and your website work together, building your digital footprint, the large language models, and Google learn from it. So they're both very powerful tools. Well, listen, guys, I hope you got a lot out of this. My name's Kevin Mohan from New Haven, Connecticut, and I love helping small businesses grow online. So I hope you guys got something out of that. Thanks for watching.